AppleHouse.com.
Okay, students, now we are here to discuss the model paper. Model paper is issued by AP IIIT entrance examination. I think all of you are aware this is the for the first time entrance examination is conducted. Entrance examination is conducted for the recruitment of 6 years integrated course. Okay, so for that entrance examination will be conducted. 100 marks is the question paper. There is no negative marking. 50 marks for the mathematics, 25 marks for the biological, and 25 marks for the physical sciences. Okay. So as people are not aware how the model will be there. Okay. So for that easy purpose only, this model paper is given by the AP IIIT RGUKT only. Okay. So that means most of the questions will be similar to this only. So, but people are not able to solve or not able to download the question paper. So here I am giving you question paper with the detailed solution. Okay. So if you go through this video, then you will be having an idea about the how the questions will be there, and there is no negative marking. Okay. Total marks are 100 marks and there is no negative marking. So you can guess at least, so that guessing strategy and solving strategy with the detailed solution I am giving it to you. Okay, so if I get more number of views, so then I will be giving you some more model paper based upon the questions given in this. Okay, as this is the first time they are going to conduct, in future also they may not conduct, so there are less chances of giving you are getting some model question papers based upon this. So that I am here to help you out. Okay, so these questions I am giving you detailed solution, and if you go through them you will get idea how to solve this type of questions. And if you share to other people and like this video, then I will get motivated. I will be bringing you more number of question paper with the detailed solution. Okay, so don't hesitate to share this video to most of your friends who are preparing for the this AP IIIT RGUKT. Okay, so Whichchem YouTube channel is for the chemistry, right from the inter to it will educate you. It will educate you up to the IIT advanced examination for the engineering stream. Okay, and for the this is for the IIT advanced examination. Okay, for the medical side, the topmost exam will be for the AIMS. So getting the seat in AIMS is very challenging. Same way, getting the seat in IIT is a very challenging. Okay, so if you are successful in this entrance examination and joining the that is class 11th only. Okay, pre-university course. So that course will be equivalent to the 11th and 12th syllabus of the intermediate AP board only. Okay. So after joining also, or if not selected by any means, if you are in the any of the college, joined any of the private college or government college for the inter, you can daily make a schedule of 8 to 9 in the night. Okay, whatever the syllabus going in your college, that syllabus everything is given in the playlist, you can go through them. Okay, so if you go through them, then it definitely will be having confidence you can crack any type of examination for the chemistry side. And if you have any problem you can write it to me in comment section. So it is for everybody, let them study in any college, they can attend them this freely. Okay, so daily 1 hour study for the competitive examination will be a good idea, whether you are admitted in the AP IIIT or not. Okay, so I hope all of you will subscribe and share it to your friends, and don't forget to like this video. Okay. Slowly, I will be showing you the detailed solution. Okay. Get set, ready. Now let us see the first. This is the first mathematics. Okay. So this is how I will teach. I started teaching like this only. So mathematics first question solution. This question paper I think you have downloaded from the website of the AP Triple IT. If not downloaded, you can download it from description box, and then you can try yourself. And there are some problems. There are some others we have found. That others also I am listing at the end of the video. Okay. So this is the first question and solution. This is the second question and solution. Like that, every question is given in detail, and some key given, already key is given by the AP Triple IT, but some key mistakes are there, and I am giving you with the explanation. If you find their key mistakes are correct, then you can send it to me in the comment section. Then you can send the correct answer, why it is, what was the problem in my solution. Okay. This is the first two solutions, detailed solutions. Okay. Next, this is the third and fourth solution. Polynomial is given log 1.3. There is a shortcut method. I have made a video about the how to find log without using the log table. Okay. That also video are there, and wonderful lectures already uploaded in the chemistry. Okay. Next, fifth and sixth. Okay. You can pause the video and note down them. Then seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay. Sorry, this is eighth only. Ninth and tenth. If you find any problems, kindly write it to me in the comment section. I will get it rectified. Okay. You can pause the video and note down. Okay. 12th and 13th. Normal in class, I explain like this only. Okay. So detailed solution I will explain through the what do you call slideshow only, so that you can have the clarity. Okay. Initially, I was not using this, but nowadays every lecture is almost through the slides only for the better clarity and for better understanding. Okay. Okay. 13th up to 13 noted. This is the 14th. Then 15th, 16th, 17th. Okay. 18th, 19th. The 19th is here. 20, 21. Pause the video if you are not able to note down, but I hope you all can solve the questions, and this is only for the cross checking. At the end of this video, I am giving you the questions which are wrong given by the AP Triple IT or GUKT. Okay. Next, up to 26th years old, like that, 50 questions are there in the mathematics, 25 questions are in the biology, 25 questions are in the physical sciences. 28, 29, okay, 30, 31, 32, 34. There may be some misarrangement also, but everything is page numbered. Okay, whatever possible, that all explanation given in detail with good handwriting. 43, 44, 45, 46, 48. Okay, now it is about the physical sciences. Okay, first question, second, third. This is about the temperature scales. Conversion is given. Okay, next 53, 54. Okay, this is some from physics, resistance, atomic nucleus. Okay, next 75. This is about the physical sciences. Next, biology. Okay. Next 80 questions. Now these are all not required any simplification. That's why you are getting more questions in one. Okay, 81 to 90. Everything is clearly explained. Then 91 to 100. Okay. So these are the questions and solutions. Now see, let us see the what are the correct options and given. In the 11th question, correct option is B, but what they have given is D. Okay. So they might be correct, I may be wrong, but you can suggest me how they are correct. Okay. 12th question, small correction should not place. Okay. Should not place a in numerator, which actually there should not be A in numerator. Okay. 30th question, they have given D, but correct option is D, but they have given A. 44th question, no option is correct, but correct answer is 37.5. 98, they have given B, but correct answer is C. 99, correct option is B, and they have given C. Okay, I may be wrong. You can suggest me. Like they have given B in the 98, I feel it is C. But if they are correct, kindly let me know. Okay. Okay, this is all about the AP Triple IT model question. Don't forget to share this video. Okay. Thank you. All the best for your examination. If I get more views, more likes, more shares, more comments, definitely I will come out with this and I will try to convert this into beautiful PDF form so that you can store it for yourself. Okay. See you. Bye bye. Don't forget to see the description box. Okay. Thank you.